Today, we have 3 under the radar projects that have been forgotten. There's been FUD around them, but I think they all are good projects fundamentally. We're going to take a look right now. Welcome to the APY Guide channel, where I try to bring you the best sources of passive income and low market cap gems that could have huge gains in the next bull market. If any of that sounds good to you, make sure you subscribe to the channel, drop a like on this video. I'd greatly appreciate it. Nothing on this channel or in this video is financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Please do your own research. Okay, I'm going to cover 3 projects that I think are very undervalued and have had a lot of FUD around them recently. The first one is Loop Network. Loop Network's at 5 cents, 5.4 cents. The fully diluted valuation is under $11 million currently. One thing I want to show you is they still have a farm on Loop Swap. Loop Swap, make sure it's loopswap.app. Make sure you go on to Loop Swap on CoinGecko so you know exactly which one you are on, because there has been some shady ones that if you connect into it, they can hack your wallet. So you want to go to loopswap.app. Make sure you go on to CoinGecko and then click on the link here. I've done videos on this one in the past. The farms are amazing. You can go in with BUSD and BNB, and you can get 30.57%. The Loop BNB pool, is which I have most of mine in, is 49.45%, which is really good in my opinion. Let's take a look at their recent tweet. Actually, it was today. It says Loop Network update February 15th. As we prepare for L Day, which I'm assuming means launch day, many of you have noticed network pauses over the past few days. We strongly believe and know the eyes of the crypto world will be upon us when we launch our new tech. If you want to look at the rest of this, that's fine. Loop Network has been known for pausing things and I guess delaying things and just kind of coming out with the same language over and over and over again. If they do launch, I think this token will go really quickly up. There's only 200 million tokens total, and let's take a look here. And I think it would have a huge pump, considering right now it's at 10.8 fully diluted market cap. So if it does launch, this is a very risky play. Be careful with this, but this is new information that they're just putting out here. So I think it's worth a shot in my opinion, but be very careful. It is very risky. Okay, the second project that I've been a big fan of since it was around $2 is Router Protocol. They've had some recent changes in their tokenomics, which I think is made the price fall quite a bit. If I go to this, okay, here we go. Router community approves Route 2.0 tokenomics proposal. A lot of people weren't a fan of this. I think it's okay. I'm okay with it. The highlights of the proposal. Proposal 2 now approved. Here are some key details on the new route tokenomics. 10 million new route tokens will be added to the supply at mainnet. Eventually there will be a split of tokens, which means the overall supply will go from 30 million to 1 billion. That's what a lot of people were angry about. The total supply at mainnet launch will be 1 billion, which means each current route will be become equivalent to 33.33 new Route 2.0 tokens. So if you're a holder, you're going to get quite a few more tokens, but then obviously the total supply is going to go up as well. As a reminder, there will be a 1-year cliff from the mainnet launch before any new tokens enter circulation, which could be lucrative in the first year if you are a holder currently. This community vote exemplifies router protocols Okay, over 1.8 votes were cast. With around 20% of the router token supply sitting on centralized exchanges, 5.75 to 7% estimated to be in custody wallets, and over 27% still unvested. I'm not exactly sure how I feel about this. Okay, when will the new tokenomics take effect? The new tokenomics will take effect after the router chain mainnet launch, which will be targeted for Q2 of 2024. There will be a 1-year cliff from the full mainnet launch before any new token emissions. How many tokens will be added to the supply? Proposal 2 added 10 million new route tokens. The total supply at mainnet launch will be 1 billion, equal to 33.33 new tokens for every one token existed. The new tokens will go towards staking rewards, which is good in my opinion. I like staking, obviously. The vesting is linear over 5 years. So there's more. You can read this. It's on Medium. It's a Medium article showing exactly how they're going to do this. The one thing I wanted to show you is they do still have really nice staking on DFYN network. And here's what they have. They have Route USDC pool paying out at 45.30% APR, and Route single staking at 8.41%, which is paying out directly in Route token. You have to make sure you pay attention to these because these pools only run for 30 days. So when the 30 days runs out, obviously you're not making any APR on that. You have to withdraw your rewards and your tokens and then deposit them into the new pool. Last but certainly not least is change. I don't understand why people are freaking out about this change to the exchange token. I have no problem with it. It's going to make the app better. It seems like everything has gone very smooth with all the exchanges that are accepting this. I just don't understand why people are freaking out about it and why the token price has dipped quite a bit. It's a buying opportunity in my opinion. I think it's only going to get better. This app is going to be a desktop app eventually. The phone app is great in my opinion. I'm not going to get it on it today, but you can pool your change tokens with USDT and earn a very nice yield. The other thing that's great about this is you can hold Bitcoin on just on the Change app as long as you're on the Fusion network, and you're going to earn 4.1% APR. Is there any other app you can earn 4.1% APR or more on Bitcoin alone? I don't think so. If you know of one, please leave that in the comments of this video so I can check that out, because I would love to. I do still hold a little bit of Bitcoin, and I hold it on the Fusion network on my Change app, so I can earn 4.1% APR. Change is one of my favorite projects going forward. They have made changes in their infrastructure and going forward with the tokenomics. All the details are not quite there yet, I don't think. We'll take a look here. I think that's why these projects that I'm covering right now are getting a little bit of FUD, is because of the recent developments in the tokenomics. Doesn't really say exactly. On the app it says they're going to release the exact tokenomics. I don't think it's a big deal. I think that they're going to make up for it for original change holders, so people that held change before it turned into exchange. I think are going to get some type of compensation, possibly. I'm not 100% sure on that, but as you know, I've always been a change guy since the beginning. I think it's a really great project, and I think it will do well in the future. So we covered router, we covered change, and we covered loop. Loop is gonna be the toughest one. It's gonna be the absolute low market cap gem that could possibly do 100x, but it's very risky. So be careful with Loop. But they are posting out that they're going to have news, possibly with a bridge. So we'll see. If there's any projects you want me to cover in the future, please leave them in the comments. I appreciate every single comment that you guys make. And drop a like on this video, and please subscribe to the channel. And as always, thank you for watching, and have a great day.